What if a camera didn't just see the world, but could smell it too? That's exactly what this paper is doing. Researchers built a tiny, insect-inspired compound eye, but instead of only detecting light, it can also detect chemicals in the air. The design is based on how flies work. A fly doesn't rely on one big lens like we do. It has hundreds of tiny lenses, each capturing a small part of the scene. That gives it a wide view and makes it extremely sensitive to motion. This artificial version packs over 1,000 of these tiny lenses into something smaller than your fingernail. So instead of seeing high detail like a phone camera, it's optimized to detect movement really fast, which is exactly what insects are good at. Your phone camera is great for taking photos, but not great at reacting instantly. A fly, on the other hand, is terrible at selfies, but impossible to catch. But here's where it gets interesting. The researchers added something extra, a layer that reacts to different gases. When certain chemicals are present, parts of the system actually change color. It's a bit like those air quality strips that change color when something is wrong, except now it's built directly into the eye. So now the system can do two things at once: track moving objects and detect what's in the air around them. And instead of processing huge, detailed images like normal cameras, it uses a simpler signal, basically tracking where movement is happening and combining that with chemical information. That means less data, less computation, and faster decisions, which is exactly what you want for small drones or robots that can't carry powerful computers. The researchers even tested this on a small vehicle and a drone. It could avoid obstacles, track movement, and identify different gases, all at the same time. So no, this isn't about taking better pictures. It's about building machines that understand their environment more like living things do. Not just by seeing, but by sensing multiple things at once. So here's the question. If a robot can both see and smell, where does that become most useful first? Search and rescue, environmental monitoring, or something else?